A tornado suddenly touched down in South Carolina's Rock Hill, leaving residents in shock. The sudden and widespread damage it left behind on Saturday. Although the neighboring state to the north was hit much harder by severe thunderstorms and showers, the weather in the South Carolina city turned cloudy, and there was a greater chance of a severe storm passing through.
If you don't see it. This is crazy.
Several videos circulating on social media showed large hail and strong winds hitting Rock Hill and surrounding areas, creating outdoor warnings. Much of the northern Rock Hills is currently under heavy thunderstorm conditions, with large raindrop sizes and winds up to 70 miles per hour.
Gee, look at the side of the house. It was nothing but God. Oh, look, it's hailing everywhere. OMG. Look how the trees came out. We were literally outside. Me and one of my sisters in Christ, we were literally outside. And look at the trees in the front yard.
Some local residents said hailstones vary in size, from as small as a pea to as large as a tennis ball. There were also reports of broken vehicle windows and serious damage. The hail had washed over the trees and littered the ground with fallen leaves, leaving behind an odor similar to cut grass.
This is the craziest stuff I've ever been a part of. Oh my Lord. This is crazy.
According to media reports, strong winds and heavy hail caused severe disruption to driving, and many drivers decided to stop because of window damage. The National Weather Service Fort Worth has predicted the threat of large hail and tornadoes, which are expected to hit South Carolina. The main threat overnight is heavy hail and winds that could reach speeds of up to 70 miles per hour. The threat of tornadoes remains low, but not eliminated, especially southeast of DFW. The storm is expected to subside around 3 a.m. Before the next storm arrives before noon with heavy rain predicted over the next 24 to 48 hours. Further disruptions are also expected on Tuesday with the threat of several storms and even the risk of flooding. The wet weather is expected to continue, with a 70% chance of rain. Rain is then likely in our area and temperatures will rise throughout the week. Please join us every day to stay updated with weather information. Don't miss out, click the register button to support us.